ladies. Yes, I'm still in the same dress because I'm still rolling. I just put my blue blockers on for a bit of change and looks. I don't know. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. I just did the the hemp seed protein why I like it video, and in there I mentioned about smoothies and why maybe you should be having smoothies. So let's talk about that. So something that I see very often in clients' sessions and with their forms and stuff when they fill them out is that they are got a great diet, very healthy, blah, 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 but they're having smoothies for breakfast. And whilst I don't have anything, there's nothing unhealthy about smoothies depending what's in it. The thing is that if you have, put it this way, here's a question for you. Do you find that before your period you get a lot of relief from your symptoms like cramping, bloating, blah, 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 from hot things, whether it's hot tea, a hot water bottle, a hot bath, hot shower? If you've answered yes to that, if you found yes, I do actually get a lot of relief from that, this can be a sign that your body is too cold on the inside. So according to traditional Chinese medicine, if you get a lot of relief from hot things on your stomach, it actually means your core body temperature is too cold, and it means your insides are too cold. So this can be related to like your thyroid not working properly, not being up to scratch, but it also could just be from you having, you know, too many raw products, because raw foods are cold, smoothies cold, cold water, you know, cold outside. This is especially the case if it's cold outside and then you eat cold foods. It's a little bit different if it's a boiling hot summer's day. I'm not going to say go have soup because your outside is so warm that you won't necessarily need that. But when it's like a mild day or it's a bit chilly outside, and you are constantly having raw salads and raw carrots and yogurt and everything cold, your insides can actually get quite cold, and that's why you can get like blood circulation problems. So when I say that, I mean your period is very like patchy, so it like comes goes, or it's like got brown blood, then a bit of red, then a bit of brown, or like you'll get like some mid-cycle spotting, or you'll get really bad cramps and whatnot. This can all be because your insides are too cold. So that's where I say you either need to make your smoothies room temperature to like start off with, and then let's wean our way out of them, or you need to swap it for a warm breakfast. So people often have smoothies because they're fast to make and they're really convenient. So that's where having my warm chia pudding or my paleo porridge from my sweets ebook, that's a really, really good option because it takes like 5 seconds to make. Or make scrambled eggs. I'll link to you below my Instagram, my IGTV video about how I make my like 10-second speedy scrambled eggs. That's a really great way to do it because it literally it's faster than making like a bulletproof coffee or anything. It's so fast in the morning. Literally takes me like 2 minutes to make. And it's warm, okay? So you want all of those warming foods. You also want, if you're getting relief from hot water bottles and stuff, if you are like, this is me, you also need to start having more ginger, turmeric, garlic, onion, curries, soups, stews, hot tea, what else? All of those really warming things that is going to help your body. And then I also want you to look at your thyroid. How's your thyroid going? And make sure that you keep your hands and feet warm, and keep your body warm. And my legs are a bit cold, so I'm gonna have my boots on. So it's all of those sort of things are really gonna help with balancing your hormones out and helping reduce those shitty PMS symptoms that get a lot of relief from hot water bottles and hot products. So make sure you decrease the cold foods, and that's even leftovers. So leftovers are included in the traditional Chinese medicine of cold foods, and then any raw foods. And then make sure you up your teas, turmeric, ginger, garlic, lots of herbs, spices, your cinnamon, your root veggies, bone broth, soups, stews, curries, all of those really grounding, warming things. You want to up them. I hope that helps, ladies. Send me any questions if you've got them. If you have an urgent question, your best bet is to email me at hello@monicayates.com.au because we'll make sure that we definitely get back to you. Otherwise, we might miss the comment below. But please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I give lots of juicy info on my Instagram page. Have a good day.